This tutorial will walk you through the proper steps for delivery, unpacking, and setup of a Reverie 3E horizontal split king power base and other custom manufactured Reverie models. There should be enough room available to unbox and assemble the power base. Also, be sure that the path to the room in which the power base will be carried is clear and open, ensuring that nothing will be broken. Keep the adjustable foundation in the box while moving it. Make sure 2 people are present at all times to avoid injury. Carry the power base to the customer's desired location with one hand supporting the bottom of the box and the other hand stabilizing the top of the box. Lay the boxes flat with the base upside down, undercarriage up for the initial setup phase. Once the boxes are flat on the floor, cut the packing band surrounding the base along with any tape. Remove the top of the boxes and the plastic sheets covering the power base pieces. Discard any styrofoam pieces packed with the base. In the foot section of the power base, you'll find all accessories and tools necessary to complete power base assembly. Do not remove the cardboard band securing the head and foot sections until the base legs are attached and it's standing upright. Open the accessory boxes. Locate the owner's manual for a complete list of parts. Remove both the head and foot sections of the power base from the boxes, leaving the plastic attached to protect the fabric top of the power base. Align the head and foot sections to begin assembly. Ensure that the white plastic bushings are still attached at the 3 connection points of the foot section of the base and the lift arm connection before installation. Slide the foot section of the base into the head section so that they can be connected using the bolts and nuts provided. The rubber mallet may be useful for this step to insert the bolts. Use it carefully. Be careful not to over-tighten the nuts and bolts. Remove the bolts attached to the iron frame, angle iron, of the foot section of the power base. These bolts were attached only to secure the base for shipping and must be removed for operation of the power base. Attach the connection bars on both sides of the base to connect the angle irons of the head and foot sections of the power base. Align the 4 holes of the connection bar and the irons. Once aligned, use the 4 bolts and nuts provided to secure the connection. Connect the foot motor using the clevis and cotter pin provided. Connect the massage and foot motor cables to the control box. Make sure the color code on the cable matches the color code on the box. Attach the 4 legs from the box labeled legs. Attach them to the power base by threading them in a clockwise direction into the threaded holes in the frame. Be sure to tighten the legs securely with your hands. Leave no space between the leg and the frame. Do not over-tighten the legs, but they should not be loose. In the event of a power outage, the adjustable power base has a power down feature. Locate the control box of the power base and remove the battery cover. Insert the 2 alkaline 9-volt batteries and replace the cover to activate the power down feature. Next, you'll want to plug in the power cord. Locate the remote and install the batteries. The remote that comes with the adjustable power base is already paired to the power base. Should you need to pair the 2 bases of a split king to a single remote, you may do so now. Press the Learn button on the control box of the base you wish to pair with the remote until it illuminates with a green light. When the light turns green, press any button on the remote and release. Once the Learn button flashes green, it's paired to the remote. Carefully flip the frame over using 2 people. Be sure not to rest the base on its side leaning on the legs at any time. Once the base is flipped, remove the remaining plastic by pulling it off and away from the remaining hardware. Attach the center retainer bar to the foot of the bed. Using the Allen wrench provided, loosen the hardware already attached to the base. Once it's loosened, attach the retainer bar and secure it by tightening the hardware with the Allen wrench. Plug the power base into a properly grounded outlet or, as recommended, a surge protector. Using the remote, test the functions of the power base. For further assistance, contact Reverie Customer Service at 1-800-973-8374 or customerservice@reverie.com.